My name is Misbah and I am an MS&T Scientist. I work between the Braintree and Stevenage site. My role is to innovate in the introduction, optimisation and execution of new processes to the cell and gene therapy manufacturing innovation sites. My favourite thing about this job is the collaboration, whether that's working with other scientists, engineers or those that are new to this industry. We are all driven by the same goal and we all want to deliver life-changing therapies to patients. The surprising part of my role is the diversity and the scope of what we do in MS&T. We are constantly driving innovation, whether that's through being hands-on in the lab, onboarding of collaborators, or whether that's training, ensuring that our processes run smoothly. No 2 days are ever the same for us, and I really like that mix between science, collaboration and continuous learning. I like how all the different departments come together to help one another. Teamwork is really crucial when it comes to delivery of therapies. We are working with external stakeholders to help them achieve their goals and to help them solve any problems that they have in introducing these therapies to patients. To describe my role in 3 words, that would be collaboration, innovation and unity. So what I like to do outside of work, spending time with my family, going out for brunch and watching a good documentary.